Hello everyone, how are you? I'm here for month 4 hair transplant. This is an update that I think it talks on its own. If you remember, the area that I did cover with the procedure is all this one. So you can see straight away the length is there, the density is there. Month 4, what can I say? Like, it's everything good, everything goes to the right direction. The good things for me is that I'm able to do a different hairstyle. As you can see, I'm growing my hair all around. Why not? Has been 5 years I only was able to do one type of style because I was trying to cover everything. I only was able to put hairspray to do that style. Instead, right now, with the procedure that I had, everything goes well, and because I have like my appearance that is different now, I'm able to play around with my hair, to put different type of product, and happy days. Right, one update that I want to give it to you is I was there last week, had the hair bigger restoration in Sandyford. The doctor, I went there for the checkup, it's a medical reason, so they're still operating. And the doctor, they were very happy. And one good news that they give to me is that this is not the full density yet. It's still hair that they are underneath and they need to coming out. So, happy days. Another thing that I want to tell you is if you see the length of the hair, like of these transplanted hair, they're not the same length because month one someone come earlier than another one and so on and so on. So they're not the same length, and I won't cut them. I will make them the same length. Let them grow, and then after I'm gonna do proper haircuts. Like now, let's enjoy. So that's all with the month 4 update. As usual, if you need if you have any query, please feel free to text me. I'll be happy to give all the direction. If you want to go for a free consultation, no commitment, please just let me know. I can phone your number to the owner of the clinic, and he will be happy to get in touch with you. Keep safe. I'm happy if you are happy that I'm sharing this video. Please let me know. So I will upload the month 5 next month. Alright, keep safe. Love you all. Ciao, ciao.